Most of the time, iPhone stuck in headphone mode occurs due to hardware-related issues, while there can also be software-related issues. 99% of the time an iPhone stuck in headphones is due to what appears to be a malfunctioning headphone jack. Whatever the reason, you can try the following methods to fix it. 1. Restart iPhone. If there is any software-related issue with your iPhone, the first solution is to restart iPhone. 2. Remove iPhone's cover. If the phone case does not cut the headphone jack precisely, then it can also cause the iPhone stuck in headphone mode. You can try to remove the phone case to see if the problem is solved. 3. Clean the headphone jack properly. If there's debris or dirt in the socket, your phone may think it's connected to the headset. This automatically turns on headphone mode and affects the desirable functionality of the device. 4. Plug and unplug the headphones. Try plugging and unplugging the headset 4 to 5 times. This method is suitable for repairing the problem that the iOS system cannot recognize the headset mode when the headset is unplugged. 5. Check for water damage. Excessive humidity can also damage your iPhone headset jack. Try to drain your device to see if it works. 6. Plug headphone while playing music. To begin with, play a song on your iPhone and wait for the iPhone to black screen automatically. Then plug the headphones into the iPhone and unlock it. Manually stop the song and unplug the headphones. Check if the iPhone exits headphone mode. 7. Turn on and off airplane mode. Bring up the control center, turn on airplane mode, and turn off it after 15 seconds to check if your iPhone connected with Wi-Fi very well. 8. Connect it with a Bluetooth speaker. It has been observed that by pairing your iPhone with a Bluetooth device, you can make it come out of the iPhone headphone mode. 9. Update to a stable iOS version. To update iOS software on your iPhone, go to Settings, choose General, and click Software Update. If there is an available update, press the Download and Install button to confirm your update. The updating process will begin. 10. Reset all settings. Resetting the settings on your iPhone is an easy but effective way, which may cause data loss, so you had better back up data with iCloud before resetting if it is available. Go to Settings, click General, click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Erase All Content Settings button. Click Continue, and enter the passwords to confirm this action. After that, it will remind you to uploading data to iCloud before Erase iPhone. You can finish upload then erase or erase now. 11. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS System Repair Tool. In addition to the suggestions mentioned above, you can also use the most powerful and professional system repair software, Joyoshare UltFix, to fix the problem. It can fix more than 150 iOS problems, protect privacy, and let you use it with peace of mind without worrying about any data loss. 12. Contact Apple support. If you still can't fix iPhone stuck on headphone issue after you tried all the ways above, it is a hardware cause. You can contact the Apple support online and send all the things they need to know your situation.